You've never tried to fill your own cavities, have you? Have you? People often ask me, do I really need to hire an attorney to draft a will for me? Can't I just do it myself? My answer to you, very simply, might be that you may be able to do it yourself, but certain things should be left to a professional with specialized training and experience. When it comes to your will and your hard-earned savings, this is your whole life. Do you really want to take the chance that you're going to do it wrong? My name is Patrick Cawley. I am an estate planning and elder law attorney with Keystone Elder Law in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I have helped many families take a look at what they own and come up with a good plan to leave their property to their loved ones. So if you ask me, do I really need to hire a lawyer to make a will? I'm probably going to have 5 answers for you at least. Number 1 is going to be, how do you know you need a will and not a trust? So depending on how you own your property, whether it's in bank accounts or tax qualified retirement accounts like an IRA, or maybe you jointly own real estate with another person, each of these has a unique legal mechanism to be passed to the next owner when you're gone. And it might not involve a will at all. So it really requires understanding property law. Number 2 is, how will you take care of asset preservation if you make your will? So what happens if you have your hard-earned savings go to your children and at least one of your children gets divorced? Half of that money is gone to somebody else and it will be out of your family. What if one of your children develops an addiction or gets disabled in a car accident and then depends on public benefits? What happens if you pass away at a time when your spouse is getting long-term care benefits from Medicaid and your will just leaves everything that you own to your wife? Well, all of that money is going to go straight to the nursing home and the Medicaid benefits will be terminated. So it requires understanding some things about what happens outside of just leaving money. What's the consequence of leaving money to someone? Number 3, my third response to you is going to be, how will you protect your house if you need long-term care benefits from Medicaid? This is a reality for 70% of the population after the age of 65. If Medicaid pays thousands and thousands of dollars for your care, Medicaid is going to want to get paid back when you're gone, and they try to do that by looking at what's in your estate, and if there's a house there, they'll force the sale, and your money will not be going to your children, it will be going to the government. Number 4, the fourth question is, you only need a will? What about a durable financial power of attorney or a healthcare power of attorney? Estate planning is not just about a will. It's not just about leaving your property to your loved ones. It's about what happens to you while you are alive. What if you become incapacitated by an injury or an illness? Is someone going to be legally authorized to pay your bills, to sign agreements for you to get the care that you need, and so forth? And finally, I would ask you, number 5, where are you getting the form to draft your own will? There are a number of online options, and some of them are better than others. I have seen people who come in for an update to a will they did online, and what they got online bore no resemblance whatsoever to what Pennsylvania law requires there to be in a will. So you might just have a false sense of hope, and really the court at the end of your life is going to treat your estate as if you had no will at all. Some are better though, and with those options, and if you answered no to a lot of the questions I've already raised, maybe that option will work for you. These are just some things to consider. If you have questions, go ahead and shoot me an email at info@keystoneelderlaw.com or give us a call at 717-697-3223. And we can make sure that maybe you need a consultation. We'll come in, we'll strategize, we'll look at what you have, or maybe it's just a quick question and we'll get that answered for you.